When you are running an e-commerce store, guessing what drives conversions can be expensive. You need data to prove what works, whether it is a new layout, call to action, or pricing strategy. That is where A/B testing platforms like Optimizely and VWO come in. Optimizely is often seen as the pioneer of modern A/B testing. It is known for its precision, scalability, and enterprise-grade experimentation capabilities. For e-commerce teams, that means you can run highly controlled tests across your website, product pages, or checkout flow without relying on guesswork. One of Optimizely's biggest strengths is its experimentation engine. It allows you to test multiple variations of content, design, or messaging and measures which version drives higher conversion rates. You can segment users based on traffic source, device type, or behavior, so each experiment produces accurate and actionable results. Optimizely also shines when it comes to personalization. Beyond A/B testing, it lets you deliver customized experiences to different audience groups. For example, you could show returning customers exclusive promotions while giving first-time visitors a special welcome offer. This tailored approach helps boost engagement and conversion rates across your funnel. The platform's analytics are deep and reliable. Optimizely uses a robust stats engine that helps you understand whether your test results are truly significant or just random noise. That statistical rigor gives marketers confidence in the decisions they make based on the data. Another big advantage is integration. Optimizely connects with major analytics tools, data warehouses, and e-commerce platforms. It fits well into enterprise setups where multiple teams, marketing, product, and development collaborate on conversion optimization. Now let's look at VWO, short for Visual Website Optimizer. VWO has become a favorite among small to mid-sized e-commerce brands because it makes A/B testing accessible and easy to manage without technical expertise. It offers a visual editor that lets you create and launch experiments directly on your site. No coding required. With VWO, you can test different headlines, images, buttons, or entire page layouts in minutes. The drag-and-drop interface means marketing teams can experiment quickly, while built-in heat maps and click maps show exactly how users interact with each variation. That combination of testing and visual insight makes optimization fast and intuitive. VWO's reporting is clear and straightforward. It shows which variation is performing better and by how much, helping you make decisions with confidence. You can also go beyond basic A/B tests and run multivariate or split URL tests, depending on your needs. Another standout feature of VWO is its conversion optimization suite. It goes beyond testing by including on-page surveys, funnels, and behavior tracking, all in one platform. This makes it easy to combine qualitative feedback with quantitative data, giving you a full picture of why users convert or drop off. For e-commerce businesses, that means you can not only test what works, but also understand why it works. You can collect insights, iterate, and run new experiments continuously, all without leaving the platform. Both tools help you replace assumptions with evidence. Optimizely gives you depth and scale. VWO gives you speed and flexibility. Either one will help you turn testing into a habit, and that habit is what drives consistent conversion growth in e-commerce.